In the summer of 2019, I took my niece and nephew, and we flew from Minneapolis, Minnesota, to Southern California, and we bought a 1965 Dodge Dart, and we drove that car all the way back to the Midwest via Route 66. Now, this was an original California black plate car, and it had spent most of its life in the Hollywood Hills. Oh god, here we go. What's back there, Sean? You know what's back there? Death. Death is back there. Oh, it's dark.
That is really
Isn't it funny how the temperature changes though? Right now, people, it's like 110 degrees outside.
man.
The hardest part of the trip, by far, was the desert. With temperatures constantly in the 100s, we really pushed that car to the limit. We really put it to the test. Thankfully, the only casualty we had there was a cracked coolant overflow bottle. Now, this isn't the type of trip that you take every day. And to be quite honest, I wasn't even sure if we were going to make it. But little did I know we would make it, and we would have the time of our life doing it. And I think the car had the time of its life too. The next problem we ran into was a burned ignition coil, and armed with just a few tools that I had gotten at a pawn shop in California, I was easily able to fix it in the motel parking lot. The Continental Divide. It's at this point, east or west, that everything flows to the ocean. The midpoint of the route, Adrian, Texas. Is there any place that an old girl could rest her legs for a while? No visit to Texas is complete without a visit to the Cadillac Ranch. Naturally, while we were there, we had to pay homage to ourselves and our home city. And almost as big as the cars down in Texas are the steaks. There definitely was a lot to see on the route. A lot of cool old buildings and a lot of cool old signs. But sadly, that's all it was. It's just old buildings and dusty old signs. Just the fragments of what it used to be. We happened upon this old bus in Missouri. A real skeleton alongside of the road. A ghost to what used to have been. It's here that we said goodbye to the route. We headed back up through Iowa, back up to Minnesota. Definitely the trip of a lifetime.